Hi, Kate Petty here. I am LG's CreateBoard specialist and trainer, and today we're going to be taking a look at 5 ways to customize your Windows OPS. Now, let's talk about what a Windows OPS is first of all. If your organization has decided to get the OPS, they have slotted in a small computer on the right-hand side of the board where basically you have a second Windows computer for your Windows account. The whole board turns into that Windows computer as a touchscreen, and you can use it seamlessly and effortlessly with your students as if you were plugged into the board with your own computer. So if your organization has gotten that Windows OPS, here are 5 ways to customize that OPS for you. Okay, so let's take a look at those 5 personalization settings that you can make to your Windows OPS. We're going to go to the personalization section of the settings menu, and you can get there by accessing the Windows icon to the left of the search bar, or you can simply hold your finger down on the desktop to open up the panel and then tap personalize. So when you do that, it puts you into the personalization section, and we're going to go into background first. And this is where you can see that we can actually add images to the background that maybe we don't want, or change out whether we want a picture or solid color, maybe even a slideshow. You can also browse your own photos here on Choose Photos. So if you want to put your school mascot on there, or if you have a picture of you and your students, you can add that there as well. That's number 1. Number 2, we're going to go to colors. Windows is pretty unique, Microsoft Windows, in that they let you choose your accent colors for the whole display, which is really nice. So you don't have to go with this Windows blue. You can change the accent colors of the display to orange or green or red or whatever color that you feel like for the day, color of the day. So we'll go back to personalization here, and the next thing we're going to take a look at is lock screen. So sometimes you may want to lock your screen when you head out and not let anyone, be able to use it, or you just want to lock your screen to prevent distractions in classroom. You can lock the screen and have an image on there. You're seeing that it's the time and the date, and then you can choose to put, what you want back there, a picture or a slideshow back there instead of that Windows spotlight. All right, next up, I'm going back to personalization, and we're going to go to Start. So on Start, this is going to give you the option to not always start on the desktop. You can actually launch something else instead to always have it go to when you start the Windows OPS first thing in the morning, or whenever you turn on the board up during the day. So take a look at what the options are. Maybe you want to launch into your browser, or you want to launch into a folder. And you can do that here by selecting some of the options. The last personalization option that we're going to be taking a look at is the taskbar. So in the taskbar, that's that little gray bar at the bottom here where the search window is. You can change some of the settings for that, pin, unpin, and change some taskbar settings there. So take a look at what the options are and decide what works best for you. All right, thanks for joining us on 5 ways to personalize your Windows OPS. Don't forget, all you have to do is hold your finger down on that desktop for a couple seconds to launch that little menu, and then tap personalization. My suggestion would be to go through each of those. We went through 5 of them, but if you go through all of them, you'll be able to find maybe some other things that might make your life a little easier with the CreateBoard and your Windows OPS. I'll see you on the next video.